In this video tutorial we will show you how to remove window mechanism in 12 steps. First, you have to remove the handle cover from the door panel using a trim tool. Be careful not to break it. If you look inside the door handle, you will see two Phillips head screw. So the next step is to remove those two Phillips head screws. The next step is to remove that head screw. Remove the screw using a short screwdriver. Remove the Phillips head screw using a short screwdriver. Now, careful, unclip the door panel and lift it up to remove it from the door. So the next step is to remove the cables. The first one is from the mirror. There is a clamp there. You have to press it on the clamp. Then you have those two harnesses. Actually, there's three harnesses from the window buttons. Then you have to remove the speaker using a Phillips screwdriver. There are 4 screws. When you take the speaker out, don't forget to remove the cables. Then remove the door foam to see the screws from the window regulator. Be careful not to break the door foam. You can use a flat blade screwdriver to remove it. We have 5 10mm bolts. We remove it using a 10mm socket. Then we remove the speaker frame using a Phillips screwdriver. There are 4 screws. Remove the speaker frame and then remove the last 10mm screw from the window regulator. Then slide the window down until you see the 10mm screws from the window clamps. There is one, and on the other side is the other one. Also, you have to use an extension ratchet to remove it. Then take the glass frame out using a flat blade screwdriver or bare hands. Slide the window down and take the window out. Be careful not to break it. Then you just have to take the window regulator out and disconnect the cables. If you can see, that is the harness. You have to disconnect the cables. You can use a thin and flat blade screwdriver. So this is the window mechanism. If you can see, the motor is on the window regulator. You cannot remove it separate. You cannot separate the motor from the window regulator. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.